Hey guys, how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PC or laptop. Ready to jump into Warzone but not sure how to download it on your PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest, safest, and error-free method to download Call of Duty Warzone step by step. Stay with me, your Warzone setup starts right now. Now first of all, open any internet browser and search Call of Duty, press enter, link in description, and open the Call of Duty website, and click the top left Save Games, and click the COD Warzone. After that, scroll down, and you see the battle.net, click on it. After that, a few minutes, then downloading was started, please wait. And then downloading is completed, to click the show folder. And this is a setup to double click. And select your language, and click the continue. After that, the updating is starting, please wait. And updating is complete. After that, click the continue. And your battle.net installation was started, please wait. Your installation is completed, to open the battle. And then create your account or sign in. After that, my battle is ready. And you see the top games, click on it. And click the left save all games. After that, find the Call of Duty, click on it. And click the left save play for free. After that, enter your age and click the submit. If you put the age here, it's 18 years old, put. And click the continue anyway. After that, click the continue. And click the start install. Your installation will be started. If your game is installed, you will see a play button instead of install. Click on the play button, and your game will start. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Call of Duty Warzone on your PC, and you're all set to drop into the battlefield. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.